Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is just a quick tips and tricks. Somebody asked me the question if there was a way to do this, and also I'll explain what's happening with the Windows Defender app when you actually download files or use different files on your PC. The antivirus, of course, will scan anything that you might be doing. And that is normal. But the problem is a lot of the scan is done in the cloud, which means that the Windows Security app, if it scans a file that you have, will send a copy up in the cloud to Microsoft for more verification. Especially when it just doesn't know what it is or can't identify it, it will actually send a copy for full verification. Of course, for some people, this might actually also mean a privacy problem, and the fact that a file, or especially if it's a personal document in some way, can be sent to the cloud might be for some people unacceptable. So there is a way to disable this feature. Now, that also means that in some cases, a file that could have a virus or malware might not be properly identified because you remove this option. But if you do not wish to have personal files or anything that you have sent to Microsoft for more verifications for viruses and malware, go into your security app or Windows Security app, go into Virus and Threat Protection, and here you'll have Manage Settings. In here, you have Cloud Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submission. This is where it happens. So the first one, Cloud Delivered Protection, is one aspect of it where Microsoft will need to gather more information about what is being, the files or what's being tested or scanned for malware. The other one is Automatic Sample Submission. When that's on, it is automatically sent to Microsoft. What you could do is turn this off. When that is off, what's going to happen is that you will have a manual option available. So when you actually do have a file that it wants to scan and it doesn't know, it's going to ask you for permission instead of doing it automatically. So if for you that is a privacy issue, you can just turn it on. If you want, you can also turn on Cloud Delivered Protection. But both removed does lower the the performance of and the chances of Windows Defender finding malware on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.